The 8th of February 2017 is a day that marks a great triumph in Somalia's history.
The election of Mohamed Abdullahi Farmaajo is a big step towards democracy, prosperity, and provides an increased sense of stability for the country.
This was a peaceful election that has led to days of celebration across Somalia and within the Somali diaspora.
It represents a new beginning for the country
and demonstrates that the new president's reputation transcends clan loyalties.
Despite the claims of corruption within the election,
the MPs were reflective and pragmatic in their response.
The smooth transition of power signifies a new era of hope and prosperity for Somalia.
His victory represents unity, brotherhood, democracy,
and a strengthened fight against corruption, nepotism, clanism, and terrorism in Somalia.
We believe this election could inspire a new generation of peacemakers,
and hope his administration will be the champion for reforms, developments, and opportunities for youth.
Hambalyo Mudane Madaxweyne Mohamed Abdullahi Farmaajo.